What is up, YouTube? Well, come on. My name is Rahnni Fitteds. This is the one. This is the one. Okay, here we go. Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rahnni Fitteds. You already know what I'm about to say. I love fitted hats, I collect fitted hats, and this is a fitted hat channel. So welcome back. I know I haven't been doing videos lately, but I strive to do at least 1 to 2 videos, not YouTube shorts, but YouTube videos on my channel once or twice a month. But today, different scenery. We're in my house, not my usual setup where it's at my little brother's house, but today, and he's just been busier with work, and so I felt like today I need to change it up and just do a video solo. I haven't done one of those since like I first started my channel. So to do a solo video and, you know, shake things up a bit too with my content. So before we get into it, hat of the day, fitted of the day is this Oakland Athletics Stomper two-tone 50th anniversary side patch. Let me redo that. This is the Oakland Athletics Stomper two-tone goodie 50th anniversary side patch. Make sure you guys get that. Flat Batterman, black guts. This is from Hat Club. This is a part of their Heartthrob collection that dropped maybe a month ago. But a lot of people I feel like were scared to pick this up because of the colorway, because of the pink. But this one, I'm gonna throw it on. I haven't worn a hat today. Boom, there we go. This has been heavily worn in my rotation. I mean, I just love the color. The pink just pops. The Stomper is just beautiful with the metallic threading. The material is actually different. It's not like polyester or wool. It's actually cotton, 100% cotton, I believe, and it's definitely comfy. But I love this hat, man. All right, love this hat. Well, moving on to what the video is going to be about. Very special video. You know I always say that. But today I want to show you guys, I mean, every time you guys see me in a video or on my TikToks or Instagram, you always see me rocking the curved brim. I haven't worn my fitteds with the flat brim since like middle school days, 7th grade, 8th grade, you know, middle school dances. Those were the shit back then. But I haven't worn a flat brim in a while, long time. So I like to wear them curved. I just feel like you can see the UV a lot better. I like it. I like the way the curve, I would say, complements my face shape. Because if I wore a fitted hat flat, I feel like since my face is like long, it just doesn't work out for me. So everyone has different reasons on why or the way they wear their hats, right? The way they rock their brims. I just like curved brims because of that. So how I like to do my fitteds, curved brim. Now what we have today, man, I miss my little bro on the video. I can always pick on him, you know, but we good. But how have you guys been? I know I'm going off topic, but how have you guys been? I missed y'all. I promise I'm trying to do my best to, you know, make time for YouTube videos, but I'm working on it. Just let you guys know I'm working on it. Anyways, so here is what I have, right? I have this beautiful Atlanta Braves two-tone goodie. I haven't had this. I don't have the side patch. This is the Turner Field final season side patch. Boom. As you can see, it's got the stickers. Look at that. Goodie. Classic gray UV. White guts. Made in China. Polyester. So, this has the stickers on it. I haven't, you know, worn this yet. It's a flat brim. I'm ready to wear this. This is part of Hat Club's Ice Cold Fashion that dropped last week, and I'm glad I was able to pick this up. This is up there, man. That tomahawk logo has been on fire. It's definitely a popular logo right now, the Atlanta Braves, and I know a lot of companies, Hat Club, My Fitteds, have been pumping out this logo, so I love it. Keep on doing it. Anyways, we're gonna curve this up, and you're gonna need three things to get started. And once again, this is how I curve my brims. This is what I do. This is what I use to curve my brims. So if you have different methods, let me know down in the comments. But once again, this is how I do it. So first off, let me get up close for you guys. You guys gonna need to make sure the sticker is off. That's just how I like to wear them. I don't like the stickers. Even back in the day when I used to wear a lot of fitteds, I don't really rock the stickers. Sometimes I rock this little baseball sticker. For the sake of the video, let's leave it on. I'll rock it. Let's leave it on. So, flat brim. And in there is like a cardboard material. So you can use your hands to curve it. But I feel what's best and what works best for me is when I use steam to apply it to the brim, because it softens up that cardboard, and when it of course cools down, it holds the shape a lot better. So you need your hat. You also need your steamer. Now the steamer you can find a lot of good steamers on Amazon. I found this on Target. This is Conair's Extreme Steam. This is my favorite steamer. I used to have a lot of like steamers from Amazon, but switch over to this one. I don't regret it. A1. Highly recommended. Put it in the comments or put it in the link if you guys want to check it out. And I think this was like 30 bucks. Yeah. So with the water though, I don't use tap water because tap water can be dirty sometimes and like the minerals. So it can possibly stain your fitteds, especially if you're like steaming up a light color fitted hat. It could probably like show up. So what I like to use is either distilled water when I'm feeling fancy, but most of the time I'm using bottled water. So just bottled water, and I throw it in there and it works good. So now what's next is we're gonna steam the brim, the top of the brim and the bottom of the brim for 30 seconds. And actually, my bad, what you're also gonna need to curve this is some sort of like bottle or coffee mug, and I don't have that right now. Let me go get that real quick. Let's see, where is it at? Boom. I'm back. I'm trying to get my little brother like do some cool edits for that, but if not, I can try it. Or I'll just leave it in like that. Anyways, got a coffee mug. So once I steam it, I'm going to put it around the coffee mug and push it in to curve it, and we'll get to that. So I know I'm dragging this on, but let's go ahead and steam it up. And then, I feel like I'm doing a longer video for this because I always do TikToks and Instagram reels on how to curve my brims. And they're usually like no longer than 2 minutes. So this time I feel like it's okay if this video is a lot longer. Yeah, this method, I'm not the first to do it. There's a lot of great YouTubers that, fitted YouTubers that make content about how to curve their brims. Like the Views from the Vault, Nucci, Fitted Insider, so check them out too. But yeah, so I just steamed it. It's pretty warm right now. The brim is pretty soft, and you start to feel that. Grab my coffee mug, put it right in the middle, and I just curve it like that. In my I usually use like a sports water bottle, and it's a little bit, the circumference is usually a little bit smaller than this, but this is okay. So I like to make sure that these two sides are equally aligned. Yeah. Yo, this hat's gonna be so sick to rock. Okay. And for this position, you want to hold it for like 30 seconds. And sometimes I like to even grab the steamer again. Depends on how like the brim is. If it's still not like soft, and you feel like it's, because I feel like they use the warehouses or manufacturers use different type of cardboard in the brim. So sometimes you might get one that's just a little bit harder of a cardboard than the other one. So you just need to hit the steam again. It's a satisfying sound, by the way. So yeah, I hope this turns out good. If not, you guys are gonna roast me. I just know it. Yo, so my alarm went off, so I had to redo the video, but boom, or start it up again. Just where I picked up where I left off, and boom. So throw it on. Oh, I hope it looks good. There it is, the curve. Bam, man, this one is it's a goodie. I feel it already. Let me. Okay. Let me know what you guys think of my curve. Let me know down in the comments how you guys like to curve your brims. That was, you just need the 3 tools: coffee mug, steamer, hat. Takes about no longer than 2 minutes to complete this process. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Feels good to do a video again. I'll do more. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Rahnni Fitted, also Twitter. But subscribe to the channel, the YouTube channel, and once again, stay tuned for more videos, more fitted content. Other than that, have a great rest of your day. I'm out. Peace.